Good morning, class. May I requested everyone to please stand up as we pray for our opening prayer. Gilbert, can you lead the prayer, please? Amen. And now, I'm going to check your attendance. So, very good. Everybody is present today. And now, I'm going to present to you our classroom rules. Read with me, class. Everyone respect each other. Always listen and follow instructions. Raise your hand to speak or ask a question. Treat others with kindness and empathy. Handle materials and equipment with care. And today, teacher will present to you a short video clip, and you're going to do is watch carefully and intently because I am going to ask a question
The Earth
after.
has 4 layers. These include the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. The crust is the thin outer layer of the Earth. It's the solid rock layer that we live on. The Earth's crust is either continental or oceanic. The mantle is the thickest section of the Earth. This layer is mostly made up of magma. Magma is a semi-molten rock. The outer core is the layer which surrounds the inner core. It's a liquid layer made up of iron and nickel. The inner core is right in the center of the Earth. It's the hottest part. The inner core is solid and it's made up of iron and nickel.
And now, who can tell me the 4 layers of the Earth? So yes, Antoinette? Very good. It is crust, mantle, inner core, and outer core. And now, Teacher Jana will continue.
Thank you, Teacher Sheena. And now, before we proceed, let's have a short recap of what we discussed last meeting. So, anyone na nakahimundong sa atong discuss last meeting? Okay, very good. It's the solar system. Unsa ganitong solar system? Yes, the solar system is the sun and all the things that moves around it. Like unsa man, katong planet, moon, and space rocks. Very good, no? Kaya nakahinumdum lagi ang tanan sa ato ang discuss last meeting kung wala din ninyo nakalimtan. And now, ganahan pa mo nga magduwa ta? Okay, very good. So now, we will have a game which is the jumbled letters. And all you have to do is inyong i-arrange it into words or mga words nga come up sa inyong una-una. Okay. Rearrange the letters to create as many new words as you can in 1 minute. Okay, gihatagan na mo 1 minute ha sa usa ka jumbled letters. Okay, now. Are you ready? Ready na ba mo? Very good, you're ready na gid ka. Okay, let's have the round 1. Okay, the round 1, we have the C-S-U-R-T. Okay, yung sa may kanang words nga nikamap sa inyong mind ani. Unsa? Crust? Wow, very good. So you are correct. And the second one is the letter M-L-N-A-T-E. Okay. Ano ba may answers? Okay, unsa man? The mantle. Okay, we have here the round 3. We have T-O-U-E-R-C-R-E-O. Kani kay daghan na ba ning letters no? So, unsa man kaha ni? Tagaan ta mong taas-taas na time ha? Okay, naani naka-answer. Unsa ganito? The outer core. Very good. So, we have the round 4. I-E-N-N-R-C-R-E-O. Okay, same na yapon siya sa round 3 no, mataas-taas, good. Unsa man ni? The inner core, very good. So we have here the round 5. round 4. So we have R, L, A, E, Y, S, F, O, E, H, T, R, A, H, T, E. Unsa man kanino nga mas taas-taas mo pang mission sa round 3 o round 4. Okay. So, sa round 3 to round 4, unsa man kaha ang inyong idea kung unsa ato ang i-discuss karon? So, mao ni siya ang sa round 5. Mao ni ang ato ang i-discuss. Kinsa man kahay maka-arrange ani? Okay. Hana, unsa man ni? Unsa ni siya? The layers of the earth. Very good. So si Hana nakatag-an siya kung unsa ang atong i-discuss karon, which is the layers of the earth. Okay, very good si Hana no. O ang uban na nakatag-an pod. So the layers of the earth. Very good. Kay naka-answer gid mo sa tanan nga jumbled words from round 1 to round 5. Okay, our lesson for today is all about layers of the earth. So, before na mag-proceed sa atong discussion, ako sa i-state ang ato ang objectives for today. Kung sa ginhangan nato ma-achieve karon adlaw. Okay, we have the first one, which is identify the 3 layers. We have identify the 3 layers of the earth. Number 2 is illustrate the layers of the earth. Number 3 is express importance of understanding Earth's layers in relation to natural events and everyday life. Now, I will give you to Teacher Samantha to continue our discussion.
So, nag-enjoy ba ang tanan sa game ni Teacher Jana ganina? Okay, very good. That's good to hear, no? So, karon na-activity si teacher. Na ako'y ipakita ninyo nga object. This one. So, Sheena, unsa man kani siya? Very good. This is our planet Earth, no? And it consists with many layers. Mao ni siya. And as you can see, that are siya different colors. So, una nga color nga atong makita, Jubert. Yes, very good, Jubert. Brown, yellow, red, orange, and yellow. And kinsa may maka-identify as kung unsa ni ang first layer? Yes, Francesca. Okay, crust, mantle, and core. And then ang core is nag-consist siya og duha ka layers, ang inner and outer. So nakuha na ba ninyo everyone? Okay, very good. Karon naay ipa-activity si teacher. Bahinon ta mo ni teacher katulo no. Naay 3 groups. This is the first group, second group, and third group. Now, ang buhaton sa first group is you are going to draw and color a cross-section diagram sa Earth. Inyuhan ni siya buhaton or ikanang drawing sa cartolina. I have here cartolina and crayons that you can use. Okay, and inyuhan na i-label and mag-write mo 2 characteristics anang layers. So, nagsabtan ra ba group 1? Okay, very good. Okay, so now, ang group, ano sa group 2? Ang buhaton sa group 2 is, you're going to read a short information card about the layers of the Earth. And then, maghimo mo og graphic organizer. And then, ang inyo isuot diha sa graphic organizer is, inyo i-write ang name, ang composition, ang temperature, and about interesting facts about layers. Okay, so now nag-gets na ba sa group number 2? Very good. And hinasad na sa group number 3. So ang group number 3 is mag-watch sila og video clip about sa layers of the Earth. And then inyo mag-create mo og label diagram niya inyo i-explain how the layers are connected to real-life events such as volcanic eruptions or earthquake. Okay, so na-gets our group 3. Okay, so each group is tagaan ta mo og 5 minutes. 5 minutes only, okay? Na-gets ra, everyone? Okay, very good. Okay, time is up. It's time na i-present ma ang inyong task diri in front. Okay, mag-start ka sa group 1. Okay, group 1. Okay, very good. Then, group 2. Very good, group 2 no. So, karon ano na sa group 3? Okay, very good. Group 3 no. So, na-present yun og tarong no, each group ang ilang mga task. So, karon ihatag na mo ni Teacher Jade for proper discussion.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Samantha. And now, next step or correct is my email report by September. So are you ready? Yes. So now, let's move on to our discussion. So our topic for today is, understand? Yes, layers of the earth. So sa layers of the earth na ay 3 layers of a core, mantle, and a crust. So now, the first layer is, a crust. So a crust is located sa outermost layer of the earth. Ang thickness niya is 5 to 70 kilometers. So a crust niya is considered the thinnest layer of all the layers of the earth. So a crust is composed of solid rocks and soil, and ang temperature niya varies from 200 degrees Celsius. And did you know, kung malinaw gani ang palibot, it means na ang crust ng bihok. Now the next layer is the mantle. So ang mantle niya is located between the crust and the core. So ang nasa tuwa is ang mantle. So ang mantle is around 2,900 kilometers ang iyang thickness. And ang mantle is considered the thickest layer of the earth. Ang composition sa mantle is semi-solid and now nila makita or ma-store ang magma. And ang temperature sa mantle is around 1,000 to 3,700 degrees Celsius. And fun fact, during volcanic eruptions, ang magma sa mantle madawas gikan sa mantle to the Earth's crust, and then that magma turns into lava. Next is ang outer core. The outer core it is located between the mantle and the inner core. And ang iyang ibagon, I think this is around 2,200 kilometers. And it is composed of liquid iron and nickel. Ang temperature niya varies around 4,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius. And ang mantle niya is siya ang responsible sa ako ang magnetic field na naputek sa ako ang planet. Next, ang last layer is ang inner core. Ang inner core is located at the center of the earth. Ang thickness niya is around 1,220 kilometers. And it is composed of solid iron and nickel. And ang temperature niya is around 5,000 to 6,500 degrees Celsius. And fun fact, ang temperature sa inner core is the same sa temperature sa surface of the sun. And now, as you can see, ang inyong planetary is, ano ba? Sakto inyong marble na linaw sa atong 3 groups. No. And now, let us recall the 4 layers of the earth. Kung dito ang pinaka-nipis or thin na layer, yes, it is the crust. How about ang pinaka-thick na layer? Yes, ang mantle. And how about ang layer na composed of liquid iron and nickel? Yes, of course, our outer core. And how about the hottest layer of the earth? Yes, of course, it is the inner core. And now, for this part is teachers will just start to deepen our understanding.
So now, to test if namino magid mo nila ni Teacher Samantha o ni Teacher Jade kay na ako'y mga girol nga questions diri nga kaning higot sa ribbons, okay? So, ang ako ganahan nga inyo buhaton kay I will call 1 volunteer or 6 volunteers each question to pick one question. Then, inyo na siya basahon, then inyo ihatag na ko para ako basahon ng balik, then you will answer that question. Nakasabot sa instructions ni teacher? Very good. So, kinsa may ganahan nga una mo bunot? Okay, Shaira. Okay, nibunot na si Shaira. So, basaha ang question, Shaira.
How many layers does the earth have?
Unsa kuno ang nabunot ni Shaira nga question? How many layers does the earth have? So, kung naminaw mo, pila man to ka layers ang gidiscuss ganiha? Yes? Unsa man, Antoinette? Pila man to? Very good. Tulo ka layers. Unsa man to ang tulo ka layers? Ang crust, mantle, og core. So, naminaw yun di ay si Antoinette. So, let's clap our hands for Antoinette. So, another 5 questions. Kinsa naman sa naganahan mo bunot? Sige. Sige, very good. Si Jobert, nibunot na si Jobert, no? Very participative si Jobert karon. Basaha ang question.
What is found in the core of the earth?
Unsa kuno? What is found in the core of the earth? So, unsa may makita nato sa core of the earth? Unsa man to sila? Katong iron o nickel. So, ang outer core mao to ang naay liquid nga kanang mga nakabutang didto. Then ang inner core mao tong naay solid nga nickel. So, very good. So, let's clap our hands. So, upat na lang. Upat na lang ang pwede mo bunot. Kinsa pa man? Who else wants to kanang pick questions? Uy, natawag isa. Kinsa man? Yes, okay, Ruby. Loy, ganahan ko ninyo karon kay very participative. Sige, basaha ang question, Ruby.
Which is the thickest?
Uy, unsa kuno ang thickest layer? Unsa man to ang thickest nga layer sa layers of the earth sa katong tulo? Unsa man ato ang pinaka baga nga layer? Yes, Shinbi? Unsa man ang mantle? Very good. So, unsa to ang pinaka thick nga layer sa earth? Mantle. So, very good no. Naminaw gyud di ay mo, wag gyud di ay mo nagpaduka-duka diha. Then, 3 more. Kinsa pa man? Tulo na lang. Lara man ni points. Sige, kinsa man? Yes, very good, Ann. Hala. Sige, basaha ang question.
Why do you think it is important to know the layers of the earth?
Unsa kuno, why do you think it is important to know the layers of the earth? So, ano kanang importante man nga mahibaw-an nato ang tulo ka layers sa earth? Sige, unsa man, any idea, everyone? Okay, very good, para makahibaw ta sa mga natural disasters. Kay diha man sa kanang 3 layers of the earth mahitabo or mag-originate ang mga natural disasters. So, another one kay diha sa nagkuha og mga sources, labi na sa kanang mga gold, sa kanang mga silver sa ilang. Then, unsa pa man? Maura? Unsa pa man? So, importante gid na siya no kay para makahibaw ta og unsa pag-form ang earth nga naa di ay kanang crust, naa di ay mantle, o naa di ay core. So, very good. Duha na lang. Kinsa pa man? Sige, duha na lang. Who wants to pick? Okay. Basaha palihog. Kinsa naman na ang mabasa? Sheena, wow, participate si Sheena. Basta ha, Sheena. So, what are they? What are they? Unsa may atong gi-discuss karon? Ang 3 layers of the earth, di ba? So, unsa man kuno to ang 3 layers of the earth? B, the crust. Okay, very good. Kato ha? Mantle, and the last one kay ang core. So, very good. So, usa na lang. Na-answer ninyo tanan. Very good kaayo mo karon ha. Sige, last one.
Which is the thinnest layer?
So, ang question kay, which is the thinnest layer? So, unsa gani ang thin? Nipis. So, nipis. Unsa kuno ang thin nga layer sa earth? Ang crust. Very good. Ang crust ang pinakanipis nga layer sa tulo ka buok. Sa crust, mantle ug core, ang crust maoy pinaka nipis. Amoy nag-una. So, naakoy questions. If kanang naay mo unsa naay mo buto nga volcano, asa man gikan ang lava or magma? Asa man na siya gikan? Then, which layer of the earth is involved sa crust, mantle ug core? If mubuto ang usa ka volcano, for example, ang Mayon volcano diri sa Philippines. So, asa man gikan ang lava or ang magma? Sige, big inside ganahan mo answer. Wow, Stephanie! Sige, unsa man Stephanie?
Mantle, ma'am.
Wow, very good si Stephanie. Kay kahibaw siya no nga mukha nang erupt ang Mayon volcano kay sa mantle kuno gikan ang lava or ang magma. So very good. Asa gikan? Very good sa mantle. So karon kina-test na gyud ni Teacher Francesca ug naminaw ba gyud mo. So kay na-answer man ninyo ang ako mga questions. Naminaw gyud kay mo, then let's clap our hands kay i-participate mo tanan. So, thank you. So now, ihatag ta mo ni Teacher Dailin kay naa ko na siya exam or test nga paansiran ninyo. So, kay nagtuon man gyud mo, naminaw man gyud mo, sure ko nga maka-answer gyud mo. So, good luck.
Thank you, Teacher Francesca. So now I am giving you a test. But before that, let's have a little recap. So, mangutan ako ninyo what is or what are the 3 layers of the earth. So first we have crust, second mantle, and the third is core. So now let's proceed to our test. Please get 1/4 sheet of paper. Then before you answer the question, just read the direction, and I am giving you 2 minutes to answer the question, and after that, I will collect all your answer sheet. So be very good. All of you have done our test. So now, please get your assignment notebook. Kay tagaan mo na ko assignment para naamoy kada homework nga mabuhat sa inyong balay. Para inyong learning na din sa school, padala po ninyo sa inyong balay. So, please copy your assignment in your assignment notebook. Then, that's all for our class. Hello! Sige na, sige na. Ito lang po, dito lang po.
That's all.
So class, that's all for our class today. So thank you for listening, and may you all God bless.